just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you.
In this custom ROM we get plenty features. Okay, let me tell you guys that we get Magisk pre-installed when we flash it. Like, see, it's asking for me for kernel auditor, and now my battery is less, it's on 2%. Let me turn off the battery saver, and I think that not giving me much battery backup, but I guess that's my hardware issue. I don't know about it because, and other thing that, let me turn off the Wi-Fi. Another thing that in this ROM is that you get perfect performance, and might say that you can play PUBG Lite and Free Fire but not PUBG Mobile, because in 1.5 gigs of RAM, what you expect from this monster, man? Okay, why I'm telling this monster? Because it's a little monster. You get, this is a old phone, and much that you can get from it is by a custom ROM. So this one would be a perfect ROM for one who wants customization and some performance, and as this is an official ROM of Ressuruction Remix, you get the perfect kernel and everything that you want from this. And having the RAM of 1.5 gigs, I won't say that this will be a lack of RAM. Okay, by today's time it will be the very less RAM, but what you want from this device? This can easily stream, you can watch movies, you can play games but lightly, and hear music from this old device. And not only this, if you are going for on7 Pro, on7 and on7 of 2016, you might get what you want. And I have not flashed G apps, but if you want to flash G apps, you can flash whatever G apps you want. I will suggest to go to on Pubg. That would be a perfect package for this device. And again, I'm so sorry for uploading very late the videos. Due to some reason, the videos I can't upload it. And yes, the Ressuruction Remix, yes, you get from a custom ROM. Double tap, wake off, and as you can see, the configuration systems, everything, means I can make a whole video on this, guys. This Ressuruction Remix, all customization, it's plenty customization you get from this ROM on really old. And just install it, just log in as I want to tell that in my device the temperature rises as hell. The temperatures are like, I can't even touch. Yes, I saw.
Loser.
There is one.
Okay, I got him.
Ready. I know that was close. He managed to run away. From there might one come here, I guess, because I heard a gun. Yes, I was right what I said. Yes, got this.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Hell yes. It was 7%. Let me show you. It dropped down to 5%. That's how critical my battery condition is. I guess there is a leak or something. Let me show you the temperature. Here it's showing good, but I don't guess it's good. Now see the temperature. It's on 70, 60. About hardware more about on the mobile. I know hardware more about on the PCs. But what that thing is that's running above 100 degrees Celsius. That's not good. I don't know that this is perfect sensors, but man, that's crazy thing. And this is not holdable thing. I know that it would be 70 degrees Celsius by touching it, but from internal it might be 100. That's what it is, the temperature right now. So all about this ROM, it was it. And in my I have not installed any Google Play services, so I have to use YouTube Advanced for YouTube, and this works perfectly on it. Can run 1080p videos on this thing, might having 720p, which is good thing. Let me show you the audio quality. Let me show you the audio quality of this. Can go up to 1080p 60 fps, what I told. This is the camera option of this on this my Samsung Galaxy on7 ressuruction remix. Here on the photo wait, I will tell first the video. On video you get full HD max on max, and I don't see any slow motion or thing. And on photo option, let me adjust. On photo option you don't get many option, but you know this is an ressuruction remix, and like Lineage OS camera or any Custom-ROM camera doesn't offer many features. The Samsung's typical OS offers many features, and the quality of photos are really very good. On this I don't think so there's photo much good, but if you want camera, then I suggest do not flash any ROM, and flash if there is any one for camera. If I manage to get one for camera, I will definitely sooner upload the ROM by title the best camera ROM for this phone. Okay, that's what for today's video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you watched till now, do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. You know Now, right now, there is a sale where I am giving free subscription of my channel. Otherwise, there is, that's really expensive subscription. You have to pay many dollars. But in my case, I am giving you free. So go and subscribe the button fast. Otherwise, the sale will go. Subscribe. The down there is below the button, red color. So go and hit the subscribe button and goodbye. No goodbye. There are plenty features in my channel. Go ahead and see those things. Here is I button above, and down below the description there are my links. And if you visit my channel, on the playlist I have there 2 playlists, and on videos I have plenty videos for you guys, for my 1+1 and for this guy. And I've seen that on installation of TWRP and unlocking the bootloader, the response was good. So I am again flashing ROMs on Samsung, and I have one more surprise for you guys. Let me show. There is one surprise that I have to show you guys, that which I have promised you, that in the end of the video I am going to show the surprise. By behind, you just have to guess the phone, and if you manage to guess, write on the comment box. And okay, the condition is not so good, so guess this device. Oh, you might have seen the pen below it, so you might have known that this one is a Note series phone, and pretty soon there are coming videos on it. Actually, the condition is really bad, really bad. The screen was not that good to show you guys, so I am not showing the screen. So just look the back and tell me in the comment box that which device it is.